It's Short and Stone, and I'm back with a very special package. Yeah, that's right. My package got delivered. You want to know what's in it? My new infuser. Okay, so if you've been following my journey, I've been using the LÄVO for 2 years. I love it so much I had two of them. So I had to get the big version, the LÄVO C. It holds quadruple as much herb, you know, that special flower, and it holds double the liquid. Okay, so I thought it was going to be the machine, but after that, I'm so extra, especially after I wake and bake. I bought the kitchen sink bundle, which means I bought everything on their fucking site. I was originally going on to buy a stirrer because the stirrer got eaten by the garbage disposal, and then I bought this. But it's okay, because Steven, we now have a new machine. So, all right, first I give you granola mix. Your girl's getting into the granola bar industry. I'm going to be making cinnamon coconut pecan granola bars, and then I'm going to be making vanilla caramel crunch granola bars. Look at these big ass bags. What? Steven. All right, first two products. All right, after that we have sharing is caring, a little sharing pack. Oh yeah, LÄVO gives you these little LÄVO shiny things and a heat sealer so that you can like give your friends. And I'm going to use these for personal since, you know, I already have my business bags. Next, we have, oh my god, I'm really excited about this because I'm gonna be honest, like cooking on a skillet is not good for directly infused oil because of putting it directly in heat. But for when we make steak, you get coconut avocado oil because it has a much higher heat threshold, so you won't burn out your cannabinoids. We have the herb pod press. So I like this because I usually use a cheesecloth to straighten it, but now it comes with like a tamper so that I can smush the flour down and get out all the oil. If you're infusing at home, no matter what machine you use, I definitely suggest some way to squeeze out the excess oil that gets left in your flour. Because I'll be honest, that's the most potent part of the oil. So, anywho, I digress. I should comment if you want an infusion tips video. I want to make a series, you know, on top of reels. I want to start doing like full-length videos like this will be. All right, next we have, oh my god, MCT oil. MCT oil is so good for infusing. It's liquid MCT oil too, which I like. All right, next we have more sharing is caring pouches, the big kinds. Oh my god! A porcelain baking dish, and it's terrific, and it's huge. Oh my god, I'm going to be using this so much now. Literally, so much. What? I got a digital download of this, but they sent me a hard copy. Good for the kitchen! Inspired infusions, elevated edibles. Cooking with LÄVO. That's nice. Oh, liquid coconut oil? Coconut oil normally comes in a solid. This is already liquid. This is perfect for baking. Great. 10 out of 10. Let's keep the kitchen sink going. Oh my god, we have gummy mix. And guess what? No artificial colors, gluten-free, and vegan friendly. I got strawberry lemonade, tropical peach, raspberry sorbet, and tart cherry. Okay, I can't wait to make these. I heard they come out super bright in color, even though they're naturally colored, which I'm very excited about because I'm, you know, all about ditching that red 41. You know about that. You know. Next one. Gummy glitter? Oh my god, my gummies are gonna be glittery, y'all. Y'all. Oh, we got it in gold. A gold gummy glitter? Are you shitting my timbers? Next, we also have sour gummy sugar in unflavored blue raspberry and watermelon. Oh my God, I'm really going to step up my edible game. Holy heck, guys. This was such a good investment. What? I understand if you don't want to spend the money to get all of this, but at least pay me to make you edibles, cause like, damn, this is some great stuff. Next, this I was very excited for. This is going to Steven because he talks about how he wants infused oil next to the stove so he can cook with it. And it's a nice little infusion spray bottle, and you pump it instead of it being like an aerosol, better for the environment. And then yeah, you can just put your infused oil in this. So this is going to Steven and his cooking because he does like 75% of the cooking. So well. Liquid sunflower lecithin. This is a very good emulsifier, and if you didn't know, it's good for boosting your potency and quickening your onset time. It naturally opens up your CB1 and CB2 receptors because it's made with like plant chlorophyll, so it's very good for that. And then next we have some gummy trays. You know, make the gummies a little easier, and they're round. So I guess I'm gonna do my special vegan gummies circular, and then my regular gummies will be gummy bears like you guys are used to, like my regular hero product. All right, let's get going. We still have more left. We have a heat sealer. I have a heat sealer here, but I like this one a little better because it's smaller. And this doesn't need it to be plugged in, unlike the other one. All right, let's keep going. Ooh, we got a herb block tray. This is good. It's pre-measured blocks that are a quarter cup. And you just pour it in, and then that way whenever you want to cook, you just pop them out. I like that a little better than storing them in my mason jars. Next, we have a cleaning kit. This will be good for all of my LÄVOs I have, because now I have 3. It comes with a cleaning cloth, a scrubby brush, a sponge, a scraper. You know, this is very good. I'm very happy that that's a thing. All right, lastly, we have chocolate chip cookie and brownie mix. I'll probably use these for myself because you know when I sell to you guys, I like to use my original recipes. I don't like using boxed or doctored mixes. I don't think, that's not what you guys are paying for. You're paying for my love. So these will be for myself and for Steven. Lastly, we have some trays to put underneath the new LÄVO because of the way it's set up, and some more infusion glitter. Okay, Steven was so nice to unbox it for me while I did the rest of this video, and he's bringing it over now. I'm so excited. I'm like a kid on Christmas. I got it in Butter Yellow. Yellow. Okay, all right. All right. Breathe. Let's read the front of the box. No, fuck it. Let's just get right into it. Let's read the front of the back. What the life? Who gives a fuck? I purchased a 3-year warranty on it just because, you know, you never know what's gonna happen. Oh my god, I gotta stand on it. No, it wouldn't be short and stoned without me standing on a step stool. Anything in here? Yes! Yes! Okay, so when they first dropped the layout, the design of it, I was like, oh, okay. It looks like a giant coffee pot. But I like it a bit more than the other one. Like, I like the other one dispenses. This one pours but holds more. So it honestly depends what you're using it for, which model you should get. If you're a small business like me, it's why they invented the LÄVO C. But if it's just personal use, go for the regular infuser. But, oh my god. Oh! Okay, let's get into it. Okay, all right. So we have the touch face here. Let me get rid of this. So this is the part I said that reminded me of like coffee French press kind of, right? Yeah, right? Okay, let's get this out. I've heard you can also put over an ounce in the giant herb pod. So, you know Mama's gonna be making okay, alright. Okay, so, this is a giant herb pod. Now, the original one only held like 6 grams, 5 grams. Are you shitting a brick? This one holds 30 to 40. Bam, 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 bam. Cat at LÄVO, shout out you. I feel like you had Shorty Stone in mind when you made this job because this was what I was asking for. I think I literally emailed you guys being like, when are you going to make a larger version? Because I can't have 5 LÄVOs in my house. No. Okay, wait. The stirrer, the one that got eaten by Vic, that's in here, right? Okay, so if you don't know how the LÄVO works, the metal stirrer in the bottom has a magnet. Yeah, you stuff your herb in here so it doesn't go floating around. And it can infuse. Put your melted oil, liquid oil in there. You do a little on the side. You gotta do a little close this up. And then, my God, my Lord, look at this. Look at it. Insert that audio right now. It's like, look at it. Would you look at it?
Here, look at that. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Oh, would you look at that?
Okay. So one of the things I also like about the LÄVO C is the different touch screen. With this, all the settings for flour are preset versus the other one, you just have to change it up 5 degrees and change the time by 5 minutes, but this is preset. And then, okay, so this we have your power on button. Tap any button on screen to wake your LÄVO from standby. Be careful, don't touch the exposed surface. Activate mode is already optimized. Just select activate. Perfect, sweet. Sorry, I just wanted to rate that, make sure there was anything on there. All right. What it means by the activation plate or like the hot plate, that's this. That is one thing that is different about this than the other one. This has an exposed hot plate. So I guess it's better for small businesses because assuming you'll have it in a commercial setting or a commercial kitchen, you won't have anybody or any pets near it that you'd be worried about. But if you had this at home, I would just be worried about someone who doesn't know what the hell it is using it and accidentally touching that. Or maybe when you take it off, I'd be worried about like a pet or child coming up here and touching it. But luckily my cats don't go on my kitchen counter that much and we don't have kids, so. Just something to keep in mind when you are selecting a LÄVO is they certainly are not the same. They have their different uses. They do the same thing though. But anywho, all right. We're probably going to come back after Grizz tonight and infuse something using this. And maybe we'll make brownies tonight. All right, sweet, y'all. This was the unboxing of the LÄVO C. I'm a happy small business owner, and I'm very thankful to LÄVO for being a company that really cares about customer satisfaction and what the customer has to say. I feel like every time they change the LÄVO and come out with a new one, they're really stepping up the game, and they really have the customer in mind. So, full on, if you want the LÄVO, please go buy it. It's amazing. And if not, you don't want to waste the money, hey, I'm a canna show. Let me do it for you. All right, on that note, stay stony, my balonies. Peace out. Short and Stone's gonna go to a rave. Bye!